How to use StreamYard. When you go to StreamYard.com, you'll come to the pricing page, but don't sign up yet. I have a link for you which you will receive $10 credit after you spend with them $25. So, and plus I'll get a credit as well, so I really appreciate you using my link than just signing up directly. Now, second thing I want you guys to keep in mind. StreamYard has been designed particularly for Chrome browsers for computers, even though you can use it on your tablet and on your phone, it's just a little bit harder to use, especially when it comes down to screen sharing. So keep those things in mind. I personally have the $25 plan, which allows me to remove the StreamYard branding, as well as have up to 10 participants, unlimited streaming, and up to 3 destinations. And I'll touch bases a little bit on that, on destinations, a little bit further in the video. You can also start test the StreamYard for free, but there is some limitations. So especially if you uh, gonna be doing it on a phone or a tablet, I would recommend testing it for free. But you will have to stream because they do not have an option to record only. While in the basic and professional, you can actually record your video and then stream it later. So just kind of, a couple things I wanted to touch bases. Now, when you sign up, and let's say you sign up on a computer and you wanted to use it on the phone, when you try to log in, they'll send you in your email an ID through which you can log in. So StreamYard does have a system like a password. They work through your email for login purposes. Now, when you log in into your back office, you're going to have my account, which right now we're in the referral section. You guys can see invite your friends to StreamYard. They'll get $10 in credit. Once they spend 25 with us, I'll get a $25 credit as well. To find a link, go into the description of this video and scroll down to the link section, and you'll find the link for it's gonna say StreamYard, $10 credit, and then you're gonna have a link. So copy the link and open that link to get signed up. Billing, account settings, definitely want to make sure you set that up. And I think that's about it. Now, when you get your account going, especially on a $25 plan, you want to set up destinations first. So I want to make sure that you guys understand the locations where we can stream live. We can stream to Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Hopin, which I don't even have a clue what Hopin is, and then anywhere else where RTMP option is available. Also, you have an option to add one other person to your account. So let's say you have people that you work together, you can add them. You can as well add multiple accounts, but then there is a fee for more than one person. Now, you have a link on the paid account, all the videos that you have created, up to 50 hours worth of recordings, and I guess they'll start dropping off after that. Then you have also broadcast. And this is where you actually would go in to broadcast your videos. So you have past, you also have upcoming. This is a demo that I created, but you would go and click on create a broadcast. You can actually either choose a pre-recorded video that you want re-recording you right now to broadcast it, or you can say select a new broadcast. You would select the platforms you want to broadcast to. And let's say in my case, I would say YouTube. You put in the title for the video, the description for the video. You want it public if you want to schedule it so it streams later. In our case, we're going to reopen one of those that I created already. So otherwise, you just hit create broadcast. Then it would actually go up and open. Let's see if it's going to open or not. Yes. Then it's going to open this screen where you're going to set up. Sorry. Set up your video, your webcam, your audio. Then you can also display write the name for display name, like who's the speaker. So let's go into camera setup. So you have camera setup where you can choose the cameras. You have advanced options. You have audio, so you can choose multiple microphone, which microphone you want it to stream through. You can choose the speaker. You can hit test. You can actually select the echo cancellation, stereo audio, and also automatic adjust mic volume. I use echo cancellation as well as automatic adjust mic. This kind of creates a little bit more of a reasonable video. Virtual backgrounds. If you have a certain color background, let's say green. So pretty much right here, like you guys can see, I have selected green. Otherwise, you would select, green or blue. Most popular is green. You can control the fade. If I pull up my green screen, then we can actually test it. I'm not going to. Then you can actually drop in the background that you like to use and then select which background you want to use. The last time I did that video, so I used that background. Usually I like to do something in space, and maybe in the future I'll talk about it. Why? You have hotkeys. You can learn those hotkeys or alter. Make sure if you alter, they don't conflict with anything else. So that's the setup. Let's enter into Studio now. In a studio, and we can go full screen, you have couple different features here. You have a comment section, so when you go live, people can comment here and you can respond. You can, if you run in multiple destinations, all those destinations will be pulled in here, and then you can respond. You also have banner section where you can create banners. So it runs at the bottom. Let's say give you right there. It will run like this. You have branding, so you want to choose your color, theme, and you guys can play with that. Show display name, so if I, let's say, add to stream, right now it's going to automatically show my name that I chosen. What else? Logo. We have a logo here, or you can change it to StreamYard logo. You have overlay, and here's an overlay, like the example right there, the StreamYard logo overlay. Or I have, this disclaimer that I put together as an overlay. Now, you can actually create intro and outro videos. So that's the one that comes with the StreamYard, where it starts the countdown. You can, I also created one for crypto, a disclaimer that actually plays like a video. And as it plays, you guys can see, it will turn off your mic, but I just reactivated the mic so I can talk while, the video plays. Then you have backgrounds that you can choose. Um, so those are the features in the branding section. Now we have a private chat. So you can actually have a private chat. You have some more settings. Those are the audio settings, I guess. Same settings. Make sure you play your stream either in 720 or 1080p, high definition, full high definition or high definition. Check out the professional plan. I guess the 1080p is only in a higher band. So, and then some other features you guys can play with: automatic add a share screen video to stream, audio avatar, a share video up for comment and banners. So those are the common features. Now you have controls here at the bottom. So you can unmute yourself, unmute. You can stop the camera, cam and mic control, share screen, invite. When you hit invite, it'll create you a link that you can send to a person, and they can click on that link, and they'll be able to come in, and then you can control, and all those people's gonna show up here at the bottom, and then you can control what they see. So example, I'm going to add a share screen. I'm going to select this second monitor. So now I have, same thing, if you have somebody to share, you'll have them here, and then you can actually pick and choose what you add and what you remove. So let's say you want to have, where they see you as well as they see the screen. You can have two participants as well as share the screen. You have multiple participants. You have a couple of various different way of having participants, and then and then you have a couple of participants and the screen function. So you control all those functions while within the video. Now, I want to touch base on something about screen sharing, tablet and a phone features where I said it's a little bit more complicated. Because, if you're doing a StreamYard and you're having two participants, you can do this in your phone fairly easy. You set up what you need to set up. When you hit the, record, this will say live, and you hit live. As soon as the buttons here comes down to live, it would automatically you'll start see, like here, right there, live. So, and it starts counter. That's when you went live. So keep that in mind, and that's how you can end broadcast and do that. Now, when it comes down to phone and a tablet compared to computer with two monitors, is when you're doing a broadcast, you set it up what you need, you went live, and you control, how you want, who you want to visible, as well as chat. You should become somewhat fine. It is kind of hard to hold just the phone so people can see at the same time using the chat function. Same thing with the tablet, where with the computer you have a camera set. Uh, you know, you can type as well as chat and speak to people. Now there's a second part of unless you come in on another phone or a tablet as a guest on your channel, as a visitor on your channel, and then respond to people on the second phone. Then this way can work. Second thing is, on a phone or tablet or even a computer with one screen, it's going to be kind of difficult to do a screen sharing. Because let's say example, we're going to choose this remove. We're going to do share, stop screen, share again. And we're going to share, pretty much, let's say I only have one monitor. So in that case, what I'll be doing is I'll be sharing, but I would be Immediately as I turn on share, I immediately would be hiding the screen. Hide. And what I want to actually, let's do the recording. So, and I will immediately will switch to the screen that I want to show. Then I will switch back to the screen and make a change, and I would actually go back to the screen I'm sharing. So, all of this switching, your audience would see. So that's the downside having a computer with one monitor or using it on a tablet or on a phone compared to actually having two monitors and a computer. But other than that, very great program. Let's go back. And let's remove that. Other than that, very sweet program is that, especially if you're doing a guest on the channel. I love it. It's a fantastic program and can be done nicely. One other thing I want to actually mention is bringing on, instead of bringing on guests onto a StreamYard, you can have people call in feature that you can combine it with StreamYard. First of all, you do a screen share, and let's go stop screen share, and make sure you turn on share your system audio. Then you would pick up the monitor or the screen that you want to share. You would also at the same time go and start a Zoom meeting, but set up the Zoom meeting with phone number active so people can call in. And then the part is you would actually broadcast that phone number out to people. They would call in and you would actually take calls that way. And those numbers are one-time numbers so people can call in. You can control who you let in, who you let out. And at the same time, because you're using a Zoom and the audio is coming in from the phone through Zoom, and you're making sure that the share system audio on your computer, and this actually, I'm not sure if you can do that on your cell phone tablet, but you definitely can do this on the computer because I done it before. And people can hear, and you can control the Zoom, who's speaking, who you muted, who you unmuted, and you can actually go through a lot of calls really quickly and achieve the results that you're trying to achieve. So these are the some of the features that I recommend using. But StreamYard is a fantastic program, reasonably priced compared to some of the stuff out there, and I would highly recommend using if you're live streaming on YouTube or any other place. It gives you flexibility and a lot of control. Any questions, you guys can always comment in the video, or you guys can always go down to About page on YouTube, and you guys can find my email and my phone number there where you guys can contact me directly. Be blessed. Till the next time.